morning, guys. Welcome back. I'm on my way to the embassy. I'm going to Riyadh. My phone is ringing. Oh my god. That's my driver. So we are on our way to Riyadh. We're going to take a train going to our embassy. That's about 3.5 hours or so. Yeah, that's how hectic it is if you are a foreigner in a foreign country. To get to your embassy, oh my god. Ooh, it's hot. Where is the driver? He's not here yet. And he's been harassing me. You should care. That's there, of course. Oh, you know when Jasmina sent me a picture and I wanted to ask, where's the abaya? Because I know you will not go out without a abaya.
Diba? You know, she said it's her first time and I told her, Yalla, wear no abaya now before you left Saudi. Before I leave.
Yeah. What is this? Is Bin Jawel Hospital?
No, this is not Bin Jalawi.
Where's Bin Jalawi? Is Bin Jalawi or Bin
Jalawi? Yeah, she missed the railway station. Paano ba yan?
I think wearing a mask is just up to you for your own safety. You look so cute.
And then this one is super kulubot. What's kulubot?
So cute.
You'll be jealous.
Huh? Oh yeah, I'm jealous. Not me. Aww.
At least you're on white. It's cute still, diba? It has this distinction that you're the madam.
I'm the madam. You're crazy. Oh my god, look at my ate wings.
Hi, welcome to Saudi Railway.
What's that? Chocolate? Thank you.
But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you.
Hi. We just arrived in Riyadh. We are now arriving in
Why are you so
Riyadh.
happy? Is it your first time? First time after a long time.
No. Yeah,
time.
yeah.
How many
After
years?
a long. No, it's not years, of course. I was in Riyadh.
When?
Maybe about 2. No, not this year. I didn't come to Riyadh this year. So, it's last year. Last
You're
year.
lost, madam, because you've been everywhere.
Yeah, but I haven't been to Riyadh this year. Last year I was in Riyadh. I came to Riyadh last year.
So maarte when she's
Well, yeah, of course I am a mahat. I'm a ate.
You are. Very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We just arrived in Riyadh train station and yeah, it was a lovely journey. We didn't sleep. Oh, Mina only was sleeping. Me and Jasmina, we were just chit-chatting. This one was sleeping. So this is Riyadh train station.
And I quit my job for you. Even quit some friends for you. Cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent. So you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you. When I could add up 2 and 2. When you promised we'd be together, you, me, forever. Now there's nothing left to lose. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah.
Okay guys, now we're going to buy sandwich. What are you buying, Jasmina?
Only sandwich and water.
Cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time
daw, Zoe. Bye,
Bye,
Jazz.
Jay. Thank you for subscribing.
Bye daw, brother. Bye, brother. Brother, bye.
You see now?
Drive safely.
Bye, Jay.
So just say it to me, say it to me. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're there.
Stop the video because I don't want you to trace where our embassy is, just in case you don't like us or you don't like Naledi Pando. Yeah. So hi dear, how are you? Can I please have a carrot cake and smoky barbecue? I think I'll take this. Yeah, I'll sit here. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm now sitting at Starbucks and the girls are still at the embassy and they might take a little bit longer. We'll head straight to the train station. No time for Mina Mina because it's already late.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. Caring about it.
Hofuf Starbucks. Huh? His taxi? Where is he? Ah, there. Our taxi. This is our taxi. Oh, just Mina front seat. Alatul. Hi, Kuya. How are you, Kuya? Alhamdulillah. Oh my gosh.
Of
course.
kayo work?
But who said? But who said he will not?
Ay, banggaan.
Oh my God.
What? Madam, you did not clear the glass. Where's the mocha, kuya? This one?
This one. This building.
Why I'm shaking?
You're not used to
Yeah.
This is Mofa.
Mocha. Oh, back to childhood.
This is why you're supposed to
Muppets pala yun.
Just Mina, we can leave you here. You wait until tomorrow, huh?
So, I don't want to go back here. And it's very far and she told me it will close at 2 p.m. How can I get here before 2 p.m.?
From the train station. That and show that we are at the train station. We just
No, she's not doing that.
How do you know I didn't do that?
Because I'm watching your video.
And I don't, sir. I don't like. It's not our business, right? Yes. Oh, look at our taxi, my gosh. Huh? Okay, we are at the train station now. Going back to Hassa. Okay, guys, we are back at the train station. We still have. What time is it, Jasmina?
You know what?
Let's go. Not later. We have to go now. Okay, this is our train. The mom.
Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
This morning you were there together with the Baba.
With Baba.
Yeah.
Eh, That one who wanted to fight with me. So this is the first class. This is how Wings is sitting.
Yes.
How much did you pay for your ticket?
I don't know, just me.
I told her it's free
Rich
ride.
auntie. Rich auntie, how much did you pay for the ticket?
It's free ride
Free?
for her.
Do you have business with the driver?
I don't. You have a date tonight.
Again?
You have a date tonight. You don't tell us. Why, madam? Why?
Excuse me.